Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how the transform feature in FaceForm works. The idea is to replace the person in an existing video with the person in an image that we upload. All right. Let me show you how it works. So this is where the image needs to be uploaded. Okay. So for example, this one. And this is where the video needs to be uploaded. Alright, so let me play this video and show you how it sounds like.
Attention local businesses. Boost your brand with our AI-powered tool. Increase.
Okay, so now this face in its entirety will be replaced by this face. Okay, so a few things to keep in mind is one, that the video and the image both need to be in 1:1 aspect ratio. So 512 by 512 pixels are recommended. However, it also supports 1024 by 1024 pixels. There are guides available here. Please make sure that you follow them. All right. Now, once you've uploaded the image and the video, you just have to click on Generate Video. Okay, so here we go. So the video has been created. So let's see how it looks like.
Attention local businesses. Boost your brand with our AI-powered tool.
So this is how it looks like. Now, there are two ways to download the final video. You can download it from here. Just click on it and it'll open up the download folder. Or you can also click here and you can download it from here. Okay, so we do have another option which allows you to create a variation of this video, okay, which is called remix. Okay, let's see what it does. So what it would allow you to do is it will open the same project and then you can make changes to the image or the video and then generate it as a new project altogether. Okay, so this is how the transform feature works in FaceForm. There's one more interesting feature which I'm sorry yeah there's one more interesting feature which allows you to create a face using a text prompt. So for example, let me type in so what I've typed is an Asian man in a business suit. All right. So let me just click on create. Okay, so see, a face was created from a text prompt. Now this face can be used to transform any existing video. So I could just upload the video and then use this particular face that was transformed using a text prompt to create a video. Okay, so this is how the transform feature works in FaceForm. If you have any questions, please do let us know. Thank you.